Hello everyone, it's Samir here, and today we have a new problem related to definite integral. Now, this is a category of problem. If you are able to observe one aspect of this problem, you will be able to do it. Otherwise, you will be thinking and be stuck how to go about it. Okay. So there are no wrong paths, okay, where you can get trapped here. So for those of you who don't know this aspect, for those of you who don't know how to solve these kinds of problem, please see the solution. Okay. So it gives us integral 1 to 2 e to the power x squared dx as alpha and asks us the integral from e to the power 4 of root log x. Okay. So first thing to observe in such a problem is that both the integrals given to you are non-integrable functions. Okay. And even using properties of definite integral, you won't be able to do anything or they can't be solved. And moreover, the problem has given you the value of one of the integral as alpha and ask the other integral in terms of alpha. Okay. So the main thing to observe in this problem is that the two functions given are inverse of each other. Okay. So if you take y equal to e to the power x square, you get x square as log y and x as root log y. Okay. So root log x is inverse of e to the power x square. Now, when a function is inverse of another function, it is its mirror image on the line y equal to x. So we need to use the symmetry of functions about line y equal to x to solve this problem. So we see which integral we have to find and how we can find that out. Okay. So this is our rough function y equal to e to the power x square. It's roughly drawn. And the other function y equal to root log x. And we see that they are mirror images of each other on the line y equal to x. And now the problem has asked us to find the integral of root log x from e to the power 4. Okay. So integral e from e to the power 4 root log x is basically this area, the area between y equal to root log x, between x equal to x equal to e to the power 4 and x-axis. Okay. Since the other curve is its mirror image and the integral given to you is integral of e to the power x square from 1 to 2 as alpha. So this area is given to you as alpha and you are asked to find out this area. Okay. So this area would be same as this area because this part is mirror image of this part. So what is asked, this integral would be equal to area between y equal to e to the power x square, y equal to y equal to e to the power 4 and y-axis. So we get this part. The last part that we have got that figure here. So we need to find out this area. So integral from e to the power root log x represents this area as we saw, and this area would be same as the area between e to the power x square, y equal to y equal to e to the power 4 and y equal to and y-axis. So we have to find this area ABEF. Okay. So this saffron color ABEF is the required area. So this area would be the area of complete rectangle OABC. Okay, complete rectangle OABC. From this, we reduce this part ODEF. Okay, so this smaller rectangle we subtract from the larger rectangle and then we subtract this green part. Okay, so what will be left is the required area. So the area of complete OABC would be 2e to the power 4 because this length is 2 and this y coordinate is e to the power 4. So the area of this rectangle would be 2e to the power 4. Area of a small rectangle would be e because this is 1 and the vertical height is e. So minus e and minus this green area which is given to you as alpha. So our final answer would be 2e to the power 4 minus e minus alpha. Okay. So for more such problems and even tougher and different kind of problems and unique and best approaches to solve them, keep watching further videos. See you in the next video.